This week on Inside the Ice House podcast, NYSC Head of Content Media Partnerships and Distribution, Joe Benaroche, sat down with Carter Reum, co-founder and partner of venture capital firm M13, for breakfast on the balcony above the New York Stock Exchange trading floor. As the conversation kicked off, Reum dives into the realities of entrepreneurship, emphasizing that success is rarely a straight path and that oftentimes every triumph is matched by its share of challenges. Take a listen.
I always say up and to the right looks like an EKG, right? What really happens is it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. You just hope that you're just keep moving a little to the up and to the right. And, you know, one of the things we talk about all the time with founders is just get 1% better every day. And if you do that, by the end of the year, you're 37 times better. If you do that over 5 or 10 years, type of thing. So I just think we glamorize the success, people ringing the bells, but I hope more founders come out and talk about all the bad days, because yes, there are great days like when they come here, but there are just so many tough days along the thing. And so one of the things I tell founders when we first invest is, come to me on the worst days. You can come to me on the good days, but there's a lot of people you can come to on the good days. I want to be the guy you call when something's going wrong, because inevitably that's going to happen, because it's hard.
During the conversation, Reum reveals what he looks for in a founder. He stressed the importance of having both short-term awareness and long-term vision, essential traits for navigating today's fast-paced business landscape. Check it out.
That ability to inspire, because it is hard as you're building and you have to create unfair advantages along the way. And then the other thing I look for in founders is the ability to look, I always say, in a microscope in one eye and a telescope in the other eye. And what I mean by that is the microscope in one eye is looking at the day-to-day, executing. But in today's world that is so fast moving, and competition's not just coming from who you think your competition is, but everyone's competing for the wallet, the attention, the phone, whatever it is. It's coming from everywhere. You have to be looking out at a telescope, and you have to be able to look around corners and see where you think the world's going, because it's moving fast.
Later, Reum shared one of his core beliefs, that every great founder must hold on to a vision that at first might seem impossible to others. Here's what else he had to say.
When I think about mission, it's who are those founders that you can back that are seeing something that's not possible, right? And how are they thinking? Not just, can I sell something online or can I do this? But, you know, when you look at a lot of these great companies, they believed in something that everyone laughed at, but they were right? And I think that's the exciting thing. That's the telescope. You know, those founders who believe in Santa Claus and the Easter Bunny, right? They have to have that belief system that people go, man, that's crazy. Unless maybe it's not crazy, right? But then you got to go be realistic and kind of go execute.
Thanks, Carter Reum, co-founder and partner of venture capital firm M13, and Joe Benaroche for that interview. Be sure to tune in each week for new episodes of the Inside the Ice House podcast. You can watch and listen wherever you get your podcasts, and also you can scan the QR code on your screen.